Our biggest problem at the moment is to ensure that the diamonds which are mined from Marange the money goes to the treasury, and that the Zimbabwean population benefit from the export of these diamonds. We are therefore fully behind the ethical jewelry campaign to make sure that the international community, the business community, the jewelers, when they buy diamonds, they ask where the diamonds are coming from. They try to establish the truth, whether the diamonds which they are buying are being sourced from ethical sources, to try to establish whether the money they are paying is going to the treasury, or else jewelers, buyers, and the consumers may continue to contribute to political conflict in my country by supporting certain groups of people who are using profits from diamonds to cling to power and to violate human rights violations. This may not continue taking in Marange diamond fields, but the money that the jewelers are paying may end up contributing to human rights violations elsewhere in Zimbabwe and even beyond. With these words, I want to thank you for listening to me, and thank you, Martin.